Okay, bigyan natin ng benefit of the doubt si Kid. Siguro favorite niyo itong kanta na to and gusto niyo talaga i-perform itong kanta na to. Hello peeps and hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Danny's Reaction Video. Eto, performance naman ni Genesis sa The Voice Kids. Ang bibigyan natin ng chika. Siyempre, kung bago pa lang sa aking channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and comment down there. So, excited tayo dito sa mga batang nag-audition sa blind audition para sa The Voice Kids Philippines. So, huwag natin patagalin pa. Let's go sa go. Go! Go Genesis!
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you there just one more time. Oh, I say you every time.
Okay, bigyan natin ng benefit of the doubt si Kid. Siguro favorite niyo itong kanta na to and gusto niyo talaga i-perform itong kanta na to. Siguro kung medyo mellow or ballad, baka mas naging kalmado yung boses niya. Okay naman din yung boses ni Bata eh, may tono naman. Tingnan natin kung may iikot. Oh, walang umikot. Ay, nalungkot siya. Alam mo, sabi ko nga, kung medyo binalad nila ng konti, may tono yung boses ni Bagets. May tono yung boses ni Bagets. Yun lang kasi danceable, so magalaw din siya. And may din siya, may stage presence si Bagets. Hindi siya nahihiya. All out talaga siya. Kaso yung song of choice lang talaga naging problema.
Don't cry. You know why? You did great. You know why? You did great. Tignan mo, pumapalakpak, humihiyaw yung mga tao. Bro, what's your name? Anong pangalan mo?
Genesis po.
You did wonderful. You did really good.
Yes.
Okay?
At yung lakas ng loob niya, grabe.
Yung kanta na pinili mo ay pinapasayaw mo at binibigyan mo kami ng energy. And that's what we wanted. We wanted something like that. Pero alam mo, gusto sana kitang tulungan na parang kahit sa rhythm. Kasi ang importante sa pagkanta, yung rhythm eh. Gusto mo sabayan ka namin, kantahin itong kantang to?
Yeah.
Gusto mo? Are you ready?
Okay. Para maibsan yung nung upset nung bata. Very good. Magaling moves na ginawa nila dito. Kasi yung pakiramdam ng bata, yun yung dyan. Very important. Very good, mga coaches. So, this is it. Yung kay Genesis na na performance. Yun lang, so, yung song of choice lang, baka sa akin, yun ang ko doon, yung song of choice lang. Pero, syempre, baka yun yung paborito niyang kanta, yun ang gusto niya i-perform, so go, di ba? But, una nakaikot na judges, and yung moves ng judges, Very, very, very good yun. At least naibsan yung ano niya, yung sama ng loob niya kung bakit palang umikot. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!